What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having a great day, and today I ordered a BGS Beckett 7.5 Jason Collier Houston Rockets autographed basketball card. Whew. And when I say today, that means last week. I ordered this card on November 9th and it's currently November 16th, and the reason I'm filming this video now is because I just got the card in the mail today, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a video discussing it, showing you guys the unboxing, how the ordering process was, and if Amazon's an actually trustworthy and reliable place to order rare basketball cards. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about that today. And before we start the video going into how it was getting the card, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little bit of information about the card I got. So Jason Collier, I didn't really know anything about him. I just saw the card was reselling for a little more value than I bought it for, which was $18 on Amazon.com. And what I know so far is he's number 52 on the Houston Rockets, and he autographed this card, so autographs are automatically worth a little bit more. And when I say BGS or Beckett throughout the video, that's just the company that graded it and put it in that nice fancy casing on it. And you can also do PSA or other grading companies, but Beckett is the most luxury and high end, so you definitely have to pay a little bit more. Luxury costs for getting this card were graded by BGS or Beckett, but it was definitely worth it because it's pretty cool being able to have a luxury card like this you can just put on display or even resell later on. And before you guys go typing away in the comments, this is autographed by Fleer Autographics, so it's definitely authentic and it's a real autographed signature, so you can make sure you guys don't worry about that. It is legit. I made sure I went through all the logistics before I ordered from some sketchy seller on Amazon. So sadly I'm gonna have to voice over some of this parts because I did just record it when I was on Amazon. I didn't have my nice camera, and then when I was recording it downstairs, but I'm gonna go ahead and voice over the part where I'm unboxing it and tell you guys how smooth the process went and what it's like ordering off of Amazon. So as you guys can see now, I'm showing you guys the card. It's a 2000 number 12 BGS 7.5 card, and it says $9.96 on there, but you have to include grading fees and taxes at the end, which I was wondering why I wasn't showing there. That's why I thought it was such a good deal at first, because only $9, but it's definitely worth more. You'll see that in the end while I'm ordering it. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to checkout. I have to blur out some of my information here because I don't want you guys coming to my house as much as I would like you guys to, but I cannot do that sadly. So it says it's gonna be here from November 18th, and so I'm gonna go ahead and place the order. And the order has been placed. I went ahead and ordered it, and it's on its way. So that was me ordering the card. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go straight to the clip of me unboxing the card. I kind of already opened it when I showed you this clip, but I made sure I recorded the most part while I'm getting out of like the saran wrap and protective material that it came in. So now we're gonna go ahead and go straight to that clip, and then I'll discuss the card a little more, how it is in the process and how clean it is, and if there's any issues with it. So let's go ahead and skip to that clip right away. So as you guys can see, it came in a classic first class USPS packaging, and I'm gonna go ahead and snap my fingers, and it's gonna go ahead and open the seal on the back. So now I went ahead and cut off the corner and so now I went ahead and cut off the edge. I'm gonna slide it out. I already took off the most of the saran wrap that was covering it and the two cardboard little slats, so it's just sitting on top of there, but the card is still sealed in its case with the saran wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that opened right here real quick. So now the card is out. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this out of here real quick and take it out, and now you guys can see the shiny, beautiful card. It looks just as it did in the Amazon picture. It looks so beautiful and so shiny. You can see the autograph on the front, and it looks almost perfect, as you can see here. Once I go back to the video in just a second, you're going to be able to see the card closer up to the camera, and I'm going to show you guys the minor details that came in a little scratched and scuffed, but so far it looks really good. It shows you guys what the grade was for each of the surfaces, like edges, corners, scratches, scuffs, and everything like that. Okay, so we are back in the present, November 16th, and let's go ahead and look at the card. So I have the card right here, if the camera will focus on it. So you guys should be able to see the card just like that. Go ahead and edit. So this is the card. As you guys can see it right now, hopefully you can see the minor details and stuff on there. It shows you the signature, the person, and on the back, like I showed you a second ago in the unboxing, it shows me the centering, the corners, and everything about the card right there, what the grading was for each piece. And on the back is their certificate of authenticity, so you can tell that the autograph and everything on the card is real and authentic, graded by Beckett itself. And if you guys can see the logo, there it is, Beckett. And so far the card actually looks really good. Let me go ahead and adjust my brightness back for you guys. So the card is coming in perfect condition. If I look around it, I haven't really looked at it yet, I can probably spot a couple scuffs on it if I look hard enough. There's definitely nothing major. If you guys look at, like, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Let me go ahead and adjust my exposure. If you guys look really on there, you might be able to see a couple scratches. It's probably gonna be really hard to see on camera. I know that I can see it in real life, but there's super minor scratches. And like right there in the corner, there's a tiny scuff, but it's nothing major at all. So far the card is a 10 out of 10 for me, except the fact that the actual card inside is 7.5. The actual card inside looks just like a 7.5. The card looks immaculate. Like, I can tell the centering's off a little bit, like it says on the card, and there's a couple scratches and scuffs around the corners, but the main issues are just on the plastic case on the outside, which won't really affect resale value as long as you can still put it on a shelf and it looks good. So I'd definitely give it a 10 out of 10 for me, and so far my first card trading experience has gone successfully, and I will let you know, and I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure you follow my Instagram for updates. This is just going to be a pretty small video just going over how I bought the card, and I might double upload today or upload this tomorrow because I just want to show you guys how the card trading experience went and if it went smoothly or not. And we're going to go ahead and end this video now, and make sure you guys stay updated on my Instagram, join my Discord server, once again first link in the description, and maybe go buy a card off of Amazon. My next baseball card, Pokemon card video is definitely going to be over the Financial Wolf's card process and how my Pokemon card trading experience went with him, and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I literally just got finished filming the video about my basketball card like 10 seconds ago, not even, and then somehow Google's probably listening to me on Amazon, and I came across this Pokemon Alakazam EX, and no matter how bad I want to resist buying this card right now, it is mint a 9. No matter how bad I want to resist buying this card right now, you guys know for a fact, knowing me, that I cannot resist buying this card. I don't want to buy it. I don't want to spend my money. Don't want to do it. I don't want to do it to him. So obviously I'm gonna go buy it. I'm gonna buy it. Okay, $14.95. Super cheap, right? Bad, stupid. Guys, just convince me not to buy it already. When are you guys gonna convince me and teach me how to save money? You guys really gotta teach me how to save money. But I only have to spend $5 on the card. Come on, $5 because I have an $11 Amazon gift card credit. So obviously I'm gonna go ahead and just click it, right? What's the other logical option to do? I just bought it. Gonna go ahead and post that on the story. Bam, right on the story, titled, bam, right to the story, Alakazam EX on its way. So I'll make sure to post on my story when I get the card. Peace out.